Hello, today I'm unboxing Luckyfortune, Series 1, ages 6 and above. There are 100 bracelets to collect. I'm so excited to open this because I saw it on TV and it looked really cool. Let's cut it open. These scissors don't work as good as other ones because these are lefty. Maybe I should do different ones. Or how about we just tear it open instead? Okay, we got our little Luckyfortune. Let's check out this. I really like this paper style. I'll keep it. This can be used as a fortune cookie. It's like adventure, love, success, and friendship. And in the middle, it says happiness. Let's see what we find. Let's crack it open. Let's see what we got. Wow, I got this unicorn cupcake. I'm gonna wear it because I really like unicorns. It also comes with this little fortune cookie thing. You can tighten it. I got the best one that I like. And it's, let's try to find it. It's probably here. Wait, where? It is right here. Love. And it's orange, so. Wow, guys, we found the very, very lucky one. Because it's the orange. Very cool. Let's read our fortune. It's way in there. Be a unicorn cupcake in a world of muffins. My lucky numbers are 84, 61, 32, 26, 52, and 9. This is real cool. You can snap it back together. And then you can open it again. Very, very cool. Let's untight this. Get it off so I can show you for a closer look. See it? It's very pretty. It's glittery. I like this. It says be a unicorn cupcake in a world of muffins. Can we pull this thing out? I think we can. I don't know. Maybe we can't. But really cool though, and you can use this for your keychain. Do you like it? I really, really love it. And we got a very, very lucky one, so that makes us very, 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 very lucky. Let's see on the other side. Who knows? It says who knows. And it says yes or no. Maybe. I don't know. Try again. Some days. Really cool. I'm going to fold this up now and see what. Okay, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the bell, and comment down below. Bye!